Prevent redepositing debris into your air conditioning system during cleaning by controlling airflow and debris pathways so particles cannot be pulled back into the unit. Start by cutting power to the system at the breaker and using a high-quality shop vacuum with a long crevice tool to extract loose dirt from vents and fins, while holding the vacuum nozzle as close to the source as possible to capture particles before they move. Work from the top down on condensers and coils, so gravity takes loosened material away from cleaned areas, and use a soft brush to dislodge stubborn buildup while the vacuum captures the fallout. When rinsing coils, spray gently with a low-pressure hose away from the intake so water carries debris outward instead of toward the blower or compressing it into the cabinet. Place a disposable collection tray or heavy-duty drop cloth under the unit and seal gaps around access panels with tape so air cannot pull loose dust through openings. After vacuuming, immediately transfer the vacuum bag or canister contents into a sealed trash bag and remove it from the work area, rather than leaving it beside the unit. Finally, run the system briefly on fan only at low speed for a few minutes while observing for any visible suspended debris. Then recheck filters and intake screens and replace or clean them if they show collected particles. Common mistakes start with vacuuming only the surrounding area and not the intake path, which lets particles fall into gaps and get sucked back in. Fix this by targeting the intake first and sealing access points. A second issue is using high-pressure water directly toward the blower, which can force dirt deeper into the system. Avoid that by using low-pressure sprays directed away from intake openings. A third problem is leaving collected debris in open containers near the unit where wind or an active fan redistributes it. Immediately bag and remove waste and place it well away from the unit and intake lines. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare profiles and reviews related to cleaning and maintenance needs. We also support contractors finding new work and have a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from one another.